What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I got a New Zealand play model, Star Alliance. Let's unbox this thing.
But hi guys, I'm back. Anyways, we got freeze cherry prime, and where's mine? Oh, there it is. And gave my sister. She just woke up. Bye bye.
Just unbox it, guys. The model. Yeah. Okay. Let's review this model. Let's open it. Get it open. Oh, it's just a bit hard. Okay, here's the model. Here's the model. New Zealand. So, we got the model here. So as you can see, guys, we've got the model. As you can see, it's a Star Alliance in New Zealand. The wings look good. A321 Neo. She's good as you can see, it's an Airbus A321.
Lucky, it's that close they can't see the words.
And yeah, this is a cool model. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.